Dreaming is a fascinating and complex phenomenon that has captivated the human mind for centuries. While much about dreams remains mysterious, one aspect that has been studied extensively is the ability to experience vivid visuals during the dreaming process. These visual experiences, which can be incredibly detailed and immersive, raise profound questions about the nature of consciousness, perception, and the brain itself. To explore how we can see visuals while dreaming, we must delve into various interconnected fields, including neuroscience, psychology, and the nature of consciousness itself. At its core, dreaming occurs during the rapid eye movement REM stage of sleep. This stage is characterized by intense brain activity, during which the brain exhibits patterns similar to those seen while awake. It is in this phase that most vivid dreams take place. But what exactly happens in the brain during REM sleep to generate these visuals? The process is not fully understood, but we do know that various parts of the brain are involved in dream generation, including the visual cortex, the amygdala, and the prefrontal cortex. The visual cortex, which is responsible for processing visual information when we are awake, becomes highly active during dreams. However, the brain is not receiving external visual stimuli. Instead, it is creating its own images. This suggests that dreaming is a form of internally generated perception, where the brain replays or reconstructs images based on memories, emotions, and subconscious processes. One of the most intriguing aspects of dreaming is how these visuals often feel so real, even though they are purely the product of the mind. Dreams can involve highly detailed and complex scenes, ranging from the mundane to the surreal. Some dreams might take place in familiar settings, like a childhood home or a school, while others might transport us to entirely fictional worlds with fantastical landscapes and creatures. The richness and clarity of these visuals can be striking. In some cases, dreams can be so vivid that they are indistinguishable from waking experiences, a phenomenon known as lucid dreaming, where the dreamer becomes aware that they are dreaming and may even be able to control the dream's content. This highlights the power of the brain to generate sensory experiences that feel just as real as those encountered in waking life. To understand why we experience these visuals in our dreams, it is useful to consider how the brain processes sensory information while we are awake. When we are awake, our brain receives constant input from our senses, especially sight. The brain then interprets and organizes the sensory data, creating a cohesive and coherent experience of the world around us. However, during sleep, especially in the REM phase, the brain is cut off from external sensory input. Yet, it continues to generate sensory experiences, including visual images, based on memories and emotions stored in the brain. This internal stimulation can be just as vivid and compelling as real-world sensory input, even though it lacks a direct external source. The creation of visuals in dreams is also influenced by the brain's memory systems. The hippocampus, which plays a key role in memory consolidation, is active during sleep and contributes to the formation of dreams. During REM sleep, the brain may access stored memories from both recent experiences and long-term recollections. These memories are often reassembled in novel ways, leading to dream visuals that may be partially or entirely based on past events. However, dreams can also involve completely new and fantastical elements that are not directly linked to real-life experiences. This suggests that dreaming is not merely a replay of memories, but also a creative process that blends existing knowledge with imaginative recombination. The emotions we experience in our waking lives also play a significant role in shaping the visuals we encounter in dreams. The amygdala, a brain structure involved in processing emotions, is particularly active during REM sleep. As a result, the visuals in our dreams are often imbued with strong emotional content. A dream might be filled with scenes of fear, joy, sadness, or excitement, depending on the emotional state of the dreamer or the nature of their subconscious concerns. This emotional influence helps explain why dreams can sometimes feel so intense and why they might focus on certain themes or concerns, such as anxiety, unresolved conflicts, or desires. In some cases, the emotional content of a dream may be so overwhelming that it overrides any attempt to reason or rationalize the situation, leading to bizarre or illogical scenarios. There is also a relationship between dreaming and the brain's problem-solving capabilities. The brain is known to continue processing information and solving problems during sleep, and the visuals in our dreams may reflect this process. In fact, many people report that their dreams are centered around issues or challenges they are facing in their waking lives, and some even claim to have received insights or solutions to problems while dreaming. This suggests that the brain's ability to generate visuals during sleep is not just random, but may serve a functional purpose, such as helping the mind process emotions, integrate new information, or work through unresolved issues. An interesting aspect of dreaming is how the visuals can sometimes seem nonsensical or disconnected from reality. Dreams often involve surreal or illogical scenes, where people, places, and events may appear and disappear without explanation. For example, a dream might feature a conversation with a loved one in a setting that has no logical connection to reality, or it might involve the sudden appearance of fantastical creatures. These disjointed, surreal elements highlight the brain's capacity for creative synthesis and suggest that dreaming is not simply a reflection of reality, but also a creative act that allows the mind to explore different possibilities, scenarios, and alternate realities. The quality and nature of the visuals in dreams can also vary greatly from person to person. Some people experience vivid, detailed dreams with clear, rich imagery, while others might have more fragmented or abstract dream experiences. The ability to recall dream visuals upon waking also varies. Some people remember their dreams in great detail, while others may only retain a vague sense of the dream's content. Research suggests that factors such as individual differences in memory, personality, and sleep patterns can all influence the nature of the visuals we experience while dreaming. For example, people who are more imaginative or creative might be more likely to experience vivid and fantastical dream visuals, while those who are more grounded in reality may have more realistic or mundane dreams. Despite the fascinating nature of dreaming, there is still much that remains unknown about the precise mechanisms that generate the visuals we experience. While neuroscientific research has provided valuable insights into the brain regions involved in dreaming, the exact process by which the brain creates these vivid images remains unclear. Some theories suggest that dreaming serves a function related to memory consolidation or emotional regulation, while others propose that it is simply a byproduct of neural activity during sleep. There is also the possibility that dreaming plays a role in problem solving or cognitive rehearsal, as the brain continues to process information and work through unresolved issues, even when we are asleep. The ability to see visuals while dreaming is a remarkable phenomenon that highlights the brain's creative and adaptive capacities. During REM sleep, the brain generates vivid sensory experiences based on memories, emotions, and subconscious processes, creating dream visuals that can range from the mundane to the surreal. These visuals are not merely random, but are shaped by the brain's ongoing processes of memory consolidation, emotional processing, and problem solving. While much remains to be understood about the exact mechanisms that generate these dream images, it is clear that dreaming serves an important role in shaping our perception of reality and helping the mind navigate the complexities of waking life. The vividness and complexity of dream visuals provide a fascinating window into the inner workings of the brain, offering insights into the nature of consciousness, creativity, and the human experience itself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with all our latest content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.